In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional invoice in Google Sheets. We'll build a clean, functional template from scratch that you can reuse for future clients and projects. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a new blank spreadsheet. Give your file a clear name so it's easy to find later. At the very top of the sheet, add your business information. Include your business name, address, and contact details such as a general email or website. You can place these in the first few rows and, if you want a polished header, merge a few cells across the top so your business name stands out. Increase the font size slightly and keep the alignment consistent. If you need multiple lines in one cell, use a line break so everything stays tidy. Next, set up labeled sections for your client information, the invoice date, and the invoice number. A simple layout is to place bill total on the left with space beneath it for the client's name and address, and on the right, add invoice date and invoice number. Make the labels bold so they're easy to spot at a glance. Leave a blank cell next to each label where you can type the actual details for each invoice you issue. Below that, create the main table for your invoice items. Add headers for description, quantity, and unit price. Format the header row in bold and consider a light fill color so it stands out. Enter your line items under these columns as needed. To keep numbers consistent, format quantity as a number and unit price as currency. This small step prevents formatting mistakes and makes your math reliable. Now add a total section beneath the items. In a clear area, label subtotal, tax, and total. For subtotal, use a formula that multiplies each quantity by its corresponding unit price and adds them together, such as sum product across those two columns. For tax, multiply your subtotal by your tax rate. Place your tax rate in its own cell so you can adjust it easily. Then calculate the final total by adding subtotal and tax. Format these values as currency for readability. Finish by applying borders around the item table and the totals area. Keep spacing clean with consistent column widths and a bit of padding above and below sections. Bold your key labels, align currency to the right, and keep everything neatly aligned. When you're done, you'll have a professional invoice layout that's easy to update, printable, and ready to share with clients.